Good day. My name is Victor Toby. I'm an ex-trainee at Plugstuck. I'm here to tell you about my experience while there. It was the most wonderful experience because I had first-hand and practical experience learning from the best. The training exercise it lasted about 3 months during the Corona period. We we wasted a lot of time because of the whole lockdown issue and so. But I had first-hand experience working on projects with them, and the main selling point is the mentorship because you get to be mentored by the best of the best. So I just right now I'm doing Python. I'm a Python programmer right now. If not for the foundation that was laid at Plugstuck, I don't think I would have gone as far as I have gone right now. I think overall it was a wonderful experience. You can't just learn what I have learned on your own because you look everywhere, but it's just like a straight path where people who have gone through it before will just lead you, so you don't get confused about anything, and it's just the best. Well, I think if you can just try with the trial, you will see what you can. You will see how good the whole thing is. Thank you.